Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Srikanth Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic factors affecting the biliary excretion of the drug. Student, आज आए हैं हम लोग टॉपिक लेके factors affecting the biliary excretion of the drug. Okay, so let me discuss the what are the factors which will be majorly importance for the biliary excretion of the drug. Okay, the first factor is the physicochemical properties of the drug. मतलब क्या हो जाता है, जो भी physicochemical property का ऑफ ड्रग जो रहता है ना, वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है biliary excretion के लिए. खासकर को the drug molecule which is having the molecular weight, drug having the molecular weight, if it is more than 500 are there, so majorly excreted in the bile, and if it is less than 300 are there, it is excreted in the urine. So if the molecular weight is in between 300 to 500, so that will be excreted in both the urinary as well as the biliary excretion. So ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, molecular weight कितना ज़्यादा रहता है या कम रहता है, उसके हिसाब से वो जो ड्रग रहता है ना, और ड्रग और इसका मेटाबोलाइट्स एक्सक्रीटेड फ्रॉम द आवर बॉडी. सेकेंड फैक्टर इज ड्रग metabolism. So as we know already very clearly that more the metabolism, so commonly the elimination or excretion from our body is more. So particularly if the drug is converted as a polar drug, so the excretion through the bile is very common. So if it is any polar metabolites are there, so it is excreted through the liver. Okay, excreted through the liver. Third factor as a miscellaneous factor, that includes the biological factors like the renal excretion. Here also the factors such as the age, sex, species differences, protein binding, disease status, drug interaction always influencing on the rate of biliary excretion. जैसे हम लोग समझाए थे रीनल एक्सक्रीशन में ये बायोलॉजिकल और द डिसीज स्टेटस के बारे में, यहाँ पे भी एज, सेक्स, स्पीसीज डिफरेंसेस, प्रोटीन बाइंडिंग, डिसीज स्टेटस, ड्रग इंटरेक्शन, ये सारे चीज़ द रेट ऑफ biliary excretion के ऊपर असर हो जाता है. सो take an example, high molecular weight of the drug which is having the good biliary excretion in case of the like animals, rats, dog, hen. Okay, so even the increase in the molecular weight also, it's having the good biliary excretion through the rats and dogs and hen. Same thing, same drug, some drugs are poor the biliary excretion when crosses the like a rabbits, guinea pig, monkeys. मतलब क्या होता है, based on the species, based on the animals also will be excretion rate will be changes. जैसे समझ लीजिए rats, dogs, hen जो रहता है ना, उसका biliary excretion बहुत बढ़िया रहता है compared to the rabbits, guinea pig and monkey. Even the molecular weight अगर ज़्यादा रहे तो भी. So cholestasis is another important criteria where the deposition of the cholesterol in the bloodstream, so thereby what happen, the flow of blood will be decreases. Okay, so bile flow also decreases, hence the biliary excretion also decreases. जैसे bile flow कम हो जाता है, so biliary excretion भी कम हो जाता है. So next with respect to oral route or the parent route, so more by the bile for the excretion when you are administered in the form of a oral route. So if you are administered as a parenteral route, less will be the excretion by the bile. Next diet जो important रहता है, diet भी important है. जो भी diet हमारा fat rich और protein rich रहता है, हमारा it increases the flow of the bile. Okay, so thereby the excretion is also increases. Finally, the biliary excretion is a very much important to calculate. How you are calculating? So simple formula, biliary clearance equals to bile excretion rate divided by that is in a plasma concentration. Like the renal clearance, how you are calculating. So here also biliary clearance can be calculated by using a formula, bile excretion rate divided by plasma concentration. मैं समझता हूँ ये क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से biliary excretion of drug कौन सा फैक्टर कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है बोल के इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाता है और अफेक्ट हो जाता है बोल के हमको सरल से आपको समझाया. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.